Common English slangs in 3 generations. Millennial, she is my bestie. Gen Z, she is my twin. Gen Alpha, she is my Pookie. So you are saying the other person is your best friend. So one says bestie, other says twin, and the third generation says Pookie. In all 3 situations, you are just saying other person is your best friend, best person. Millennial, I am so done. Gen Z, I am so cooked. Gen Alpha, I am fried. This means you are in trouble. Whatever the reason is, you are in huge trouble. So, I am so done. Oh my God, what have I done? Or, I am cooked. What will I do now? Or, I am fried. What are we going to do now? Millennial, they embarrassed me. Gen Z, I got roasted. Gen Alpha, I lost aura. If at any time something embarrasses you to express that you feel embarrassed, these generations will say, a millennial is going to say simple as is, they embarrassed me. But Gen Z will say, I got roasted. You know how you cook a chicken? You roast it. So this is verbal roasting. And then we have Gen Alpha that talks about aura. Someone has aura means they are cool. Okay, when they walk into a room, you feel their presence, you feel their aura. So when you lose aura means you lost your cool, you felt embarrassed. Millennial, ah, it's boring. Gen Z, tomatoes. Gen Alpha, aren't nobody listening to you. Again, you are talking about something being boring, something being uninteresting. So these are 3 ways to express it. Ah, this presentation is so boring. Ah, presentation, tomatoes, or Gen Alpha. No one's listening to you, meaning it's boring. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, these are slangs. So meaning this is very informal. These words, these things would not be used in a formal atmosphere. This is informal. Something you do with your friends, family, or whoever is close to you. Okay? And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!